Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to find Trust Wallet address in Treasure NFT, only way. Open Treasure NFT, connect your wallet, tap the account icon to reveal your Trust Wallet address. Copy and verify it starts with 0x before sharing. Confirm the address matches your Trust Wallet QR or account details to avoid sending funds incorrectly. If issues occur, refresh the app or reconnect the wallet and try again. Start by opening Treasure NFT and ensuring you are on the main dashboard. Tap the profile or wallet icon to access account settings where wallet connections appear. Select Trust Wallet and choose the connected account to display the public address and QR code. Copy the address using the Copy button and paste it into your destination app or service. Always double-check the first few characters like 0x and the checksum. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here, a handy device to play alerts or review NFT sounds during workflow. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a smarter desk setup. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Verify any address by scanning the QR code from your Trust Wallet within a trusted device or app. Compare the displayed address visually and by checking the first and last 4 characters to spot mismatches. Avoid copying addresses from unknown links or social posts, and never approve transactions from pop-ups you did not initiate. Keep your Trust Wallet app updated and use biometric locks if available to reduce risk of unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.